You know what time it is? It's proposal review time. Today's comes from Amanda and it reads, "Hey Chris, my name is Amanda and if all goes well, I would love to be your new video editor. Weekly, I create short form videos for one of my clients. I source the content from his catalog of user-generated content. I repurpose the content and generate concepts and themes for new video creatives to support their social media strategy. The workflow I created with this client reminds me of your project scope. As a video editor with 7 years of experience, I relieve content creators of the task of video editing. This frees up your time and mental energy. I aim to become your reliable right hand with your weekly short video edits. Our working relationship will look like this: quick turnaround times with a short form video taking 2 hours to edit. My workflow provides peer review submissions, reducing the number of revisions. I practice proper communication skills and professionalism always. I am tech savvy and proficient in Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Illustrator. A link to review my portfolio is in my signature, or check it out right here. The next step is to hop on a 20-minute discovery call to see if we gel or if you would like to ask me any follow-up question. Thank you for your time and consideration. All the best. Yes, just curious, what is the name of your brand? I would love to check out your current social presence." I gotta say, I loved this proposal. First of all, I see you included their name, so bonus points straight away. I also love the confidence in that first sentence. I would love to be your new video editor. I also like how you give an example of an existing client and tie it back to this job. I would maybe switch the placement of paragraphs 2 and 3 just to read better. So I would start by saying, as a video editor with 7 years of experience, and then go on to the weekly, I create short form videos for one of my clients. And then I would actually write the key steps of the project, like you provide me the raw videos, you being the client. I'll then edit them using Premiere. I'll deliver them to you within our set deadline. And then you, the client, will review and approve the work on Upwork. I think this is actually a great idea for a proposal, to just tell them what both your roles are in the project so there are no surprises. But what you have there right now, this little bullet point section, the quick turnaround times and workflow, is just a little confusing to me. So I would rewrite it to be sort of like that, a little simpler and dumbed down for the client. I would also delete the part where you say your portfolio is linked in the signature, because I'm not sure where that is. Please double check if your portfolio has any contact information, like your email, your phone number, anything like that, because that's actually against Upwork's terms of service, so be careful about that. But yeah, other than that, I think it all looks great. I love that you invite them to a call at the end, and that you have a question as well that they can answer. So keep up the great work and thank you for your submission. If you too want to get your proposal reviewed right here on the channel, I'll have the link down below to the form where you can submit it for free. Oh, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. I'll have the last one link right here in case you want to watch it, and I'll see you right there.